pull down. I'm the CEO of the bank. I want to take my employee to the hospital.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to attorney. If you can't afford one, one will be appointed to you. Do you understand your rights?
You have the right.
I assume you do.
Am I being arrested?
I will.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sonny! Sonny! Sonny, I need Sonny!
She's being weird.
Mr. HB, come here.
Ethan, if you're at this unit
Yeah.
024, let's get out of here.
Yo.
Why is there
Yo.
someone in my car?
Yo, LAPD, I'm gonna just tell you what happened. So, were you at the thing earlier when they were robbing?
Sarah,
I
what
just
is your
got on
call
scene.
sign?
Oh, okay.
1 Alpha 10
Mr.
active,
Mr.
active 10
Spacey,
11,
so-
nearest postal
What is your call sign?
0.
This is 3 Lincoln 16. I've got a 4-door SUV vehicle with a occupant with a police uniform on postal 38. Can I get additional units on Great Ocean Highway? Suspect is in opposite lane. Pull them over on 38. One additional unit, please. Okay, so let's just check if everything is good right here. Taser. Okay. Again, 3 Lincoln 16 at postal 38. Can I get an additional unit, please? Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Can you turn off your engine for me and roll down your window, please?
Yeah, how do I do that? See you.
Alright. 1011 turned into a 1080 with a suspect wearing police uniform. Whoa, 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 where did he go? Where did he go? On 37, lost visual. Where the hell did he go? Suspect is on foot on 37 postal.
This is for Whiskey 45 and 5 Whiskey 09, going to be activating his car too. If not, call.
Stay on the floor, stay on the floor. Suspect down on 37. Additional units. Stay on the floor or you will be tased.
Advice on Mike.
Stay on the floor.
Show 4 Whiskey 08 and 5 Whiskey 09 activating his car too. What's the active priority?
That's going to be postal 37. Suspect is being tasered and down. Currently being detained. At postal 37, suspect is wearing police uniform. So you're under arrest. Postal's going to be
10 for
37.
detective. 10 for UC1 detective and.
Oh, did he just
Show car 2 going. Interrupt country.
How the hell did you die? Yeah, mate. Wearing police uniform, in a vehicle, shooting on the officer. Where's our backup? Oh, okay. Now he is dead, THS. You just killed him.
God, these things so bad.
1099, officer down, 297 Alhambra Drive, multiple suspects.
What? You just killed him, man. This is your scene. Damn. Can we get additional units at 297? Officer down.
This is desk to the DHS unit that was at Plano.
Sir, what happened here? Are you okay?
Yeah, I should be fine.
CIA to 1 Bravo 75.
Some dumbass fucking
It's gonna be a 10-20.
brought out some knuckle dusters on me.
10-4.
What?
This is one.
Who is he? I'm gonna go kill him.
87.
Fucking shirtless dude.
To the postal 297.
Okay.
Sierra 9, I'm gonna be 10-6-5, mate.
Put your gun down. Put your gun down. Everyone put the guns away.
Oh my God, Paul, what happened to you?
I need additional units on 297. Multiple suspects with guns, heavily weaponed. Sir, put your gun away.
I do not know.
He killed. No. It's.
Can I get additional units to post at 297?
Shit.
Can I get an ad?
Nah, he came back with the same thing.
Tell for car 2 is already en route.
Fuck no.
Go. Sir, what the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
Should be fine. Just a bit bruised.
What? You just
1099 officer down. Opposite 297. Can I get additional units to 297? We got one suspect with AK, one with pink shotgun, and one micro SMG.
Tell for show car 2 on scene.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to detain everyone.
Yeah, fair enough.
Can we have the description of the suspect?
One is gonna.
And it's supposed to make it to where you can't.
One time a suspect, shirtless, blue jeans, pink shotgun, cowboy hat.
Yeah, we got
One's
him.
gonna be wearing a plain shirt,
Boy, what
blue
the hell?
pants.
You better put me down, boy.
And the
I
other one's
don't
gonna be
consent to
wearing
this.
a tan
I don't
shirt,
consent to this,
overalls,
boy. You better
cowboy
put me
hat,
down
blue
right now.
jeans.
We're gonna have one with the pink shotgun.
Bitch, put me down.
With no
Put
shirt.
me down, you bitch.
Go, motherfucker.
Oh shit.
Let him go, you son of
Put me down.
Officer down, 1099, 297.
Let me go. Let me
Tell
go.
for there's way too many.
Let me go right now. Let me go. Let me go,
Are
boy.
we engaging lead?
You're gonna hold me like this.
Calm
Let
down.
me go.
1099.
Loading for RTO briefing.
Boy, you got one chance to goddamn let me go, or I'm gonna be pressed.
You got shot in the side of the head. How are you holding him?
Boy, you better put me the fuck down right now.
Go, you bitch. Sorry.
Everybody gets dragged. I know it's not.
So this is what it feels like. Stand next to the
What federal building?
high command.
Flex your M muscle, and then go ahead, go down to teleports, and then Fed building. If you're a VO, type in chat, and I'll go ahead and TP you. Everyone, please show up.
This is first ski 45 to 5 Whiskey Island.
Dylan, if that 2 Sierra goes deafened again in this RTO briefing, he's getting disconnected, and I need you to punish him.
Yep. I was there, but my head.
Do you guys want to separate?
It's fine. It'll take as long as it takes them to get here. I'm not stressing. They want to take forever. We'll make this RTO briefing take forever.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying. I'll end up. I can't even talk during briefings, but I'll still come on as beast so I'm fucking screaming if I have to.
LOPD, get him out the line.
Me?
He's DHA.
Oh,
That's
shit.
from High Command, I think. No, he's not. No, he's not.
Just a second.
My head just popped while I TP'd there.
High Command John, do you want to say anything? Not CIA John, but High Command John. Oh, cool. Alrighty. Guys, let's get back on patrol. Keep it realistic, spread out. Don't be grouped up in one area. Teleport out, don't walk out.
of here.
10-4.
I want to say one more thing. If I see you guys staying at station, clocking your hours in, faking them, you will be getting sent off duty, and that's just one thing. Say if I come past your station and you've been there for more than 5 minutes and taking you off there and you're going, so you get sent off duty.
Square up, home.
This is 3 Lincoln 16. I've got a 1011 turning into a 1080 on 323. It's going to be a four-door vehicle.
Please be advised of priority cooldown.
309 to 1603.
Yeah, good.
front gates of Federal Building.
Wait for him.
Hey sir, can you turn off your engine for me and roll down your window, please?
Sí, está bien, no te escuchaba, güey. No creo que pueda poner la ventana para abajo.
Sir, do you speak English?
¿Qué?
Turn off your engine for me.
Ah, motor, like vroom vroom.
Yes, turn it off and step
Sí.
out of the vehicle for me.
Okay.
Step out of the vehicle.
Can't hear you. Window armored.
Step
window
out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Okay. Yo, fucking hands up, dumbass.
Oh
Put your
shit.
hands up, amigo.
Hands.
Hey, amigo, show me them hands before I blow your head off, amigo. Go.
I've been
Go,
taken
Azil.
hostage.
Oh, just kidding, I drive.
2-3.
God, bloody damn it.
Show Tim
are you on responding code 3?
Start one in traffic.
It's your 19 same traffic.
Amigo, I'm finna shoot the tires so no one can drive away with them. Yeah, move it, amigo.
The fuck? I'm blindfolded.
What you can to hand the 20.
There we go, now we have our car again.
I can't see anything.
5 seconds. 5 seconds, Goofy.
What should I tell them? Oh, thank you.
Come on, bro.
Advise shots.
Come on, bro. Tell your
They're,
boy.
they're saying to stand down or they will kill me.
4.
I told them. I told them.
Stop shooting.
Radio 0.
Advise, negotiations are after heavy firing.
There's negotiations
No,
before on this way.
Negotiate.
Don't kill
Yo,
me. Don't kill me.
you want
talking
them not
over
to
each
die,
other.
then chill. Just chill. Chill.
Show your
Just
shit,
chill.
bro.
Chill.
I'm dead.
India 02, show me taking Sinker, man. I'm on scene.
1 India 2, do I have permission to take negotiations?
Hostages down. Hostages down.
Then negotiations are off, let's get rich team.
Alright, we're in a fucking scene.
Oh, T-Mod is even down. Damn.
Suspect is down. Suspect is down. So one's gonna be moving in.
Seems to be all clear, code 4 inside.
Free 1 activating as a 1071 for your side.
Sir, step out of the vehicle for me.
Why? What did I fucking do?
Step out of the
Faster.
vehicle.
Yeah, I got you.
Right now.
Faster 56, gonna be 10A, running
Step
single
out
level
of the
postal
vehicle for
06.
me right now.
Great Ocean Harbor, him.
You fucking 4167 to 1 India 02. You available for that 10-1 now?
Got it.
I'm going to go one in gold.
That was G-Sync, my bad. It was
Go ahead,
G-Sync,
my
I'm so
apologies
sorry.
for overtaking you.
5 indigo 1, 1 indigo 2.
Stand by. I'm breaking down for the 10-1 product.
Put your hands up for me, sir.
Doing?
Put your hands up for me, sir. I'm gonna detain
No,
you.
what did I fucking do? You're telling me now.
I just saw you pointing a gun at me. You were trying to shoot at me in the vehicle. That's what happened.
No, I didn't. Oh my fucking yeah.
I got
fuck
it
this
on my
shit.
body cam, sir. So I'm gonna
Yeah, I
place
can
you-
win this fucking game. Fuck.
Oh, damn. Just clipped out, so
7039 direct to
Officer
5.
down, 299.
Go.
multiple
Break,
officers.
break, 266. We got an officer hostage. Shots fired, suspect down.
This 3 Lincoln 16. We've got a 1011 with a 4-door black Mercedes on 311 East Joshua Road. Occupants unknown.
A1, Shimmer responding. Don't be silly, it's about to go down.